What's up, guys? It is me, Apex, and today we are gonna be playing Animal Company again. I know it's been a while, and I mean a while. I got my account fixed, so more Animal Company content is gonna be coming soon. I promise you guys that. Yeah, I got everything back. I still have my main account. I'm gonna be making more videos, and there will be more upcoming episodes that are gonna. Okay, so basically, the last time I played Animal Company was like a digging update, and I have not made a let's just say the pirate ship update. I haven't made a video on that. Digging update, I made an update on that. So I will be combining those into one video. So y'all will get all the information on that. If you haven't played Animal Company in a while, this could be recommended. So first, this will be for later. But basically, we are going to be going to the pirate ship area first. Yes, I also got new stuff, so I don't think I really need anything else. Crap. Yes, I got the advanced. Did not mean to pull that out. I thought this was a fishing rod. We got this fishing rod, so tough. Basically, let me go there. Okay, so basically, you go through there, come down here, pirate ship down here. Y'all want to join my code's Apex Gaming? Leave right there. Basically, you fall into the pirate ship. You still grapple onto it. There isn't. I'm gonna buy some more. Bait. There are some new. But basically, we're gonna fish. That's probably gonna be the only fish we're gonna fish. Yeah, see, this fish is normally small. It's big. Like, that's just. We're like. Yeah, it's. Good fishing. The new fish I've got here is this fish, the cursed cube fish, this guy, iron tusk. The puffer fish, this guy, and this guy. Those are the new fish I've caught here. And also, if you go to the front here, there's like a shark. It's basically a shark, like a live shark. I wouldn't really say alive. It's like they killed a shark and attached it to the front of the ship. Which honestly, I feel bad for the shark, but honestly, it's pretty cool. But basically, it's just a whole pirate ship. Fish here. You can get some cool fish before we leave. Just like a cool ship, you could find just like quick case and stuff. Then over here, the captain is dead. That's crazy. Like that's just pure evilness. Like, why would you just fight? And this is proof. Humans used to be an Animal Company, bro. Like, this is confirmation. The captain is dead. They weren't lying. So we're gonna vote back. And now we are going to check out the new mining update. So I'm gonna keep this. I'm gonna keep basically all the lights. I'm gonna put the fishing rod because I do not want this thing getting lost. I'm gonna pull my laser out. But basically, there's new tools. There's the lasers in the shop. This thing's in the shop. A new drill. And just that. Those are new items for the mining update. So we're gonna go to the mining place now. Okay, so basically, I'm gonna do this whole mining trip. I want to show you guys where to go. There's a boss fight. Yeah, and you like go to this area. Remember? Okay. Then we fall down and gem. But basically, there is this thing over here. I don't know what it does. I don't know how to mine the whole thing. I heard something does happen, but I forget what it is. And basically, down here is the boss fight. So yeah, there's that for you guys. And also, if you beat the boss, here is the boss on screen right now. If you beat the boss, you get this hat cosmetic and this laser gun for free. Show you guys what these moon buddies look. So they added these called moon buddies, and basically, I'm gonna eat one. Here we go. Boom. We're at the moon map. And then there's like the goop invention thing, this. And take a moon rock back with you. Boom. You're back. We just killed the boss. Me and my friend just did this duo, bro.
I think I have it.
I'll show you.
Right here.
Oh. Yeah, guys, this is it.
Put the banana in. Banana in.
Alright, I'll put the banana in. You all have to put these bananas in.
It's open!
Go! So y'all basically gotta open this door and then...
Start it!
Sorry, guys.
You know what to do next? If we don't,
You go down here.
okay. Wait, that would be faster. Stop it. To find one of those things. Once you find one of those. Yep. We already found it.
go, Core.
Flashlight eyes?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, you know what to do here, right?
Yeah. Whoa. Help! Help! Oh. Whoa.
But
We are here. Then you got to here. And over here.
what moon?
Wait.
After you go up the fan, just go to moon. Let's go to moon.
Now we go back. So this is basically
Go
how you
back.
get the main map. Or you can buy one of the buddies. Just get there and
The long way.
yeah. Yeah, guys, so that's basically how you get to the moon map the long way. That's also how you like defeat the boss. You have to do certain things to defeat the boss. I recommend if you have lasers, use them because they do good damage to them. And yeah, see you guys later.